Hello, my earth signs. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel, for giving me lots of love. And I'm very glad that I help you out in some manner. Okay, so this is the earth sign reading Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn for 12/12 to 21/12 portal reading 2021. So in this video we are going to see that what this portal is bringing, the energies, the messages for the earth signs Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay, so as you all know that this is very beautiful and very important portal. Okay, the 12/12 portal and the 21 portal 2021. So I am going to do the reading from 12/12 to 21/12 portal reading, and we will see that what are the beautiful energies and messages which are coming for you for the earth signs. Okay, for the 2021 for the 21/12/2021. Okay, so let's start your reading and let's see what are the messages. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the important messages for earth signs Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn for 12/12 to 21/12 portal 2021 reading, which is important to deliver for earth signs Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Give me the important messages. What are the messages for Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn? What this portal is bringing for earth signs? Okay, please give me the messages for earth signs. What is the message? What is the message for earth signs Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn? Breathe. First message for you is breathe. Wow. There is imagine and there is divine timing. This is TikTok. So your manifestation powers are here and you are manifesting something. Right now you have done your part. You have done your manifestation, and the things will come according to the divine timing. The divine timing is here, is at play. Okay, right now you have to breathe. That means take a break, spend some time in nature. Okay, one more thing I want to tell you that this portal is going to, the importance of this portal is that whatever you are going to manifest during this period, that is going to manifest on 21 December 2021. So this is very beautiful time for manifest anything. Okay, so this is what I can see here, that you are already doing it. You are doing the manifestation here, and there is a TikTok which says that divine timing. Okay, so this is the divine timing which is change, which is here, which is at play here. Okay, this clock is eternal and ticks according to the beating of your heart. It's the perfect rhythm. Is not it wonderful to know that love is always right on time? So things will manifest. Maybe you are manifesting the love. The love is coming according to the perfect divine timing here. Right now you have to breathe, take some rest, spend some time in nature. Do not do anything else. Okay, that means take some time out and breathe. Take a break. Take some time out in nature here. So this is beautiful. Let's see more message from the Chinese fortune reading cards. Please give me the message for the earth signs Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Please give me the message. Health. One more message for Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Wow, celebrations. Okay, so if you were going through a process where your health was not good, this portal is bringing you good health. Okay, so your health is going to improve here in this portal. Okay, next message for you is celebrations. Get ready for a lot of celebrations. Celebrations are coming up for you, so get ready. Okay, and let's see more messages from the fortune reading cards. Please give me the message for Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. Okay, please give me the message for Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn, the earth signs. Fire. Let go of emotional upheaval and embrace the renewal of the future. Okay, that's the message I'm having. Let go anything which is not serving your highest good, and enjoy, embrace the renewal of the present here. Okay, let me see one more message for Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn earth signs. Please give me one more message. Beautiful. There is key, which says there is new beginnings, directions, adventures await for those who ready to let go of the past. So you have to let go of anything which you are still holding on. Okay, earth signs, you have to let go anything which you are still holding on. Let go of the past memories, let go anything which is not serving your highest good, because there is new beginnings, new solutions which are waiting for you to come. But for that things to come in your life, you have to make some space for those energies, and for that you have to let go anything which is not serving your highest good. Make some space for new beginnings, new things which are waiting for you. Okay, so let's see more message from the energy oracle deck. Please give me the message for earth signs, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. Maybe you can see lot of number synchronicities of 333. 0707 is a recording reading time. 333 or 33, three number synchronicities. Okay, let's see what is the message you want me to deliver for earth signs, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. See, attachment is here again. You have to release any attachment which you are still holding on. Okay, release any attachment which you are still holding on. Release and let go of emotional upheaval or any attachment which you are still tied to. Make some space, room for new things to come in your life. Okay, if the room is already filled up with lot of things, how you can put new things into it? Okay, so you have to release the attachments here. Okay, I know you and can you see here I'm having number 3, 4, 5 and it's 6. So you are ascending in the forward direction. There is an ascension which is taking place in your life. Maybe there are some adjacent possibilities which you have to do. Can you see this is 5 and this is 6? Okay, and this is 3 and 4. So 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is the spiritual ascension. You are ascending, you are moving in a forward direction here. Okay, but for that you have to release the attachments here. Okay, any other message for earth signs? See, manifestation, magician and the mirror. You are doing the manifestations here, and that's beautiful because you are manifesting here. But for manifestations to come true, you have to make some space. You have to let go the attachments which you are still holding on to. Okay, the manifestations will come true, but you have to let go all those things which are not serving your highest good. And I'm sorry for the background now. Background voice. There are kids in the home and they are at the door, knocking on the door that please open up. Okay. Okay, let's see. Please give me the message for Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. Make some space here. I know you are doing the manifestation, but things are going to manifest at the divine timing. But you also have to let go anything which you are still holding on. Okay, make some space for the new beginnings. You have the key, you have the solutions, you have the new beginnings, and they are waiting for those who are ready to let go of the past. Please give me the message for earth signs, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. Please give me the message. Wow, frog spirit is here, and which says renewal. There is a renewal which is coming up for you. Okay, there is frog spirit renewal. Let me read it out from the book also. See, be willing to release any notions of how life should unfold. This is a time to be adaptable. Be willing to change. Abundance and good fortune will be followed, but you have to be profound restoration of your life is occurring, but it is the thing that you have to let go your past. Okay, and you have to be more willing to release any preconceived notions of life, how life should unfold. 11:11 is the recording reading time. So things are getting renewed, renewal is happening in your life, but maybe you have a certain idea that this is how life should unfold. Okay, that's why your manifestation, you are doing the manifestation, but you have to make some adjacent possibilities. 11:33 is a recording reading time. Things will manifest according to the divine timing, but for that you have to let go for the past. Okay, again the same message is here. Okay, so let's see what is the message from the Moonology deck. Please give me the message for Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn earth signs. What is the message you want me to deliver for Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn? Know your worth. Work through your feelings. Last quarter moon in Aries. Work through your feelings. That means anything which you are still holding on, work through your feelings, how you feel. Okay, because feelings will tell you everything, so you have to work through your feelings here. So beautiful message. Thank you for giving the message. Savoring pleasure. I fully embrace bliss in my life. You can listen to the music, take bubble bath, eat cupcakes. Okay, make them do the savoring pleasure here, and you have to say yourself that you fully embrace bliss in your life, savoring pleasures. Okay, treat yourself as you will treat your loved ones, as you love anyone else, but for that you have to love yourself first. Okay, so let's see what is the message from the self-care cards. Please give me the message for earth signs, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. Energy work. You have to work on your energies by balancing health checkup and beauty ritual. Sending you lots of blessings, because health messages coming up again and again here for you. So you have to go for an health checkup. Okay, this portal is bringing you health improvements. Okay, maybe you are not well health wise, but health improvements are coming here and you have to go for the health checkup. Okay, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn, and do some beauty rituals. Okay, which says color your nails, go to the beauty parlor, do the makeup, savoring pleasures. Okay, love yourself. Self love is indicated here. Then the next message for you is energy work. Do the meditation, the chakra balancing and chakra activation, which is important for you. Okay, thank you for giving the message. Let me add one message from Whispers of Love. What is the message you want me to deliver for earth signs, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn? Please give me one message. The only thing that is real is love. Shift your focus back to the love. Okay, the only thing in this whole universe is love. That's the only real thing. Okay, so you have to shift your focus back to the love. Okay, thank you for giving the message. Now let's see what is the message from Keepers of the Light. What is the message you want me to deliver for Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn? Okay. Please give me the message for Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. Kuthumi, I hope I pronounce it right, which says cloak of wisdom. You already know the answer. You seek, trust what you know. Okay. So let me read it out from the blue book too. So this is Kuthumi. This is, or you already know the answer what you seek. Trust what you know. Kuthumi, pronounced as Kuthumi, is an ascended master who appears as a well-dressed Indian man with a golden aura. His teachings were brought to the world by Madame in the 19th century. There were many different theories as to his true identity. Many believed he was a wandering man known as Rishi in India, dedicated to walking the path of spirit with very few material possessions. Others believed him to be a well educated Sikh spiritual leader who was given a pseudonym to protect his true identity. I believe that he lived a high life, but through his spiritual practice was able to let go of his need for material possessions. Now he helps light workers to go beyond the limits set by others and cultivate a personal connection to God. Knowledge is learned, knowledge is remembered. You are in a real clock of wisdom now. You have been on a wandering path trying to find answers through study and the insights of others, but now you are uncovering the truth of your own soul. Your soul is leading the way and you are being encouraged to follow. The fog is clearing. The light has come and it's shining on you. Your soul is saying, yes, it's your cheerleader. Follow it and trust the endless wisdom within you. Just go, 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 go. Okay? So trust your knowledge. Beautiful message. I love it. Okay. So let me add one message from the Chakra Wisdom. Please give me the message for Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. What is the message you want me to deliver? What is the message? Root chakra and your third eye chakra, the mind, openness, flexibility, imagination, learning. Be flexible to learn. You already know the answer. Trust that what you know here. Okay, be more open, be more flexible, use your imagination to learn here. Okay, and the second message for you is home, shelter, safety, nurturing and warmth. If your root chakra is balanced, then you will feel the warmth, the nurturing, the home, the shelter. Okay, the safety here. Okay, so now let me add one message from the whispers of clear your energy. That's why the message was here, that you have to do your energy work. You have to clear your energy. Okay, clear your energy. That's the message I'm having. Do the energy work, clear your energy. Okay, now let me add one message from the Krishna consciousness. What you will choose will become your destiny. So choose wisely. Okay, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. Okay, the joy of friendship. Friendship is the biggest gift, and nurture your friends and friendships. So you have to nurture your relationships here. Okay, nurture your relationships, the joy of friendship, because friendship is the biggest gift. Nurture your friends and your friendships here. Let me see message from the Indian Oracle Tarot deck. What are you manifesting here again and again? Magician is here again. Magician, 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 magician. You are doing the manifestation here. Okay, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorns. You are doing the manifestation here. You're going to move in a forward direction. You're rising as an Empress. Beautiful. Wow. So you are manifesting the love. The love will come according to the divine timing, at the perfect divine timing. You will move in a forward direction, because right now you have the capability to give birth, to create something, because Empress is someone who gives birth to new idea, birth to new things, anything. Okay, so you are right now in the energy of Empress, motherly, caring, nurturing figure. You will move in a forward direction. You will move in a forward direction with the Chariot, but use your intuitions. The High Priestess is here. There will be justice which is going to serve in your case, and there is a Lovers here. This is the twin flames, okay, which is coming here for you. So now let me see some messages from the tarot deck also. What is the message for Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn? Let me make some space here. What is the message you want me to deliver for Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn? For Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. This is the Tower, the Temperance, Eight of Wands, Page of Pentacles, see, that's what Five of Cups. Do not focus on those things which has already happened in the past. You are still need healing, okay? You have to release the attachments which you are still having from your past hurts, past heartbreaks, from third party situation, from the pain which you received from your broken heart. You are focusing on those things, focusing on sorrow, pain, guilt, on fallen cups. You are not seeing that there are two cups which are waiting for you. So don't look behind, okay? Leave the past in the past, because things are working out in your life, okay? You are right now standing strong that I'm not going to give up with the Nine of Wands, okay? And Nine of Wands is also a wounded warrior here. But see, there is a soulmate which is coming here for you. The Six of Cups is here. The Judgment Empress is here again. Wow. And this will be your wish fulfillment. Nine of Cups, Two of Cups and Ten of Cups. Lot of Cups energy is also here. Beautiful. One more message. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Right now you are feeling like an hangman. You do not know what to do, okay? But you will get the truth. You will get the clarity here. With the Ace of Swords, you will get the clarity you want. You are right now feeling like an hangman. You feeling like I am stuck in some area. But you have to know one thing, that you are stuck because you are in this energy of Three of Swords and Five of Cups. You are focusing on those things which has already happened in the past. You need your healing, okay? Leave the past, release the attachments here, let go anything which is not serving your highest good, and you have to leave this, okay? You are working hard to create abundance of everything. See, Ten of Cups and Ten of Pentacles. I have done all the elements reading, okay? I'm doing your reading at the last, and this is the beautiful energy which I received for your sign, for your elements only, okay? Ten of Cups and Ten of Pentacles. I have not received any other I have not received this energy for any other elements. Okay, so you will create happy family, happy life, abundance of everything. But and you, because you are working hard for that, Eight of Pentacles, you're working hard for that, you're putting a lot of efforts, time, energy into that. Okay, things are going to start with a small message, a small initiation with the Page of Pentacles. But you have to take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. Be the fool. Okay, trust the universe that everything is happening for your highest good. Be the fool and move in a forward direction. There is a wish fulfillment which is going to come true for you. Okay, but right now you have to keep your temperance, your patience. Nine of Cups is here. Your wish fulfillment is going to come true, but right now you have to keep patience. Can you see how this angel is making the water and fire mending and balancing into one and another? And there is a plant which is growing on here. So for that you have to keep patience. For the plant to grow, you have to keep patience. Okay, so that's what I'm. But you are rising as an empress, definitely here. You can, right now you have the abilities to create anything. Okay, to give birth to anything. You have the choice. There is judgment which is happening here. Okay, there is justice and judgment which is here. And there is a divine intervention. This is the Tower. This is the sudden unexpected changes which are going to happen in your life. Okay, and divine intervention is always good. I always tell in my reading that whenever the divine intervenes in your situation, it always good for you, because whenever we have to make some kind of necessary changes, or we have to make some kind of decision which is important for our life, and we do not do that, then divine has to intervene in our situation and make that situations, so that now we can make that decisions here. So divine intervention is happening here. Okay, there is a soulmate which is going to come in your life. Someone from your past is coming back here. You both love each other a lot. Okay, you both love each other a lot. Someone from your past is coming back here. Okay, things are going to transform. The death and rebirth energy is here. So the message is very clear for you that you have to release anything, any attachments which you are still holding on. Okay, because you are doing the manifestation, you are creating beautiful things for you, but these manifestations are not coming, because this will come according to the perfect divine timing first, and second, you have to make some space, the room for the things to come. Okay, now let's see one message from the Gateway of Light. What activations are happening for my earth signs, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn? Please give me what is the activation, what is the message for earth sign, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. You are clearing old stories here, releasing past lives and getting the freedom here. Freedom message was also here again. Okay, so there is a freedom which is coming up, the freedom of your soul. You're getting freedom from the karmic baggage, the karmic patterns, or the karmic baggages, okay, which you are releasing from your past lives or from this lifetime here. Okay, so you are releasing those things here now. Okay, and you are clearing old stories. So that means now you can create a new story. Whatever you want to create, you can create anything which you want, because you are clearing old stories here. Okay, now let me add some message from the fortune cookies. Please give me the message for our signs. Opportunities. A stranger is about to change your life. Exciting times and plenty of action. Plus a special family reunion looks likely. So there is a family reunion which is going to happen. A special family reunion which is going to happen for you. And there is a stranger which is going to change your life completely. There is beautiful opportunities which are coming up for you. Okay, so be open to receive. Make the space here. Let me add one message from Helio cards. What is the thing which you are healing? Okay, what is the thing this portal is healing for earth signs. What is the thing earth signs are healing during this 12 to 21/12 portal reading? One message for earth signs. Victim consciousness. And if you have not healed yet, you have to heal your victim consciousness, okay? But this portal is going to heal your victim consciousness, okay? Because of this victim consciousness, you are having this energy attachment inside of you, and you are unable to manifest the beautiful things which you are manifesting here. For this energy to come, you have to get out from this energy as soon as possible. So this is what I'm having here for you, earth signs. I hope I help you out in some manner. Sending you lots of love and healing light to all my earth signs who are watching my video. Take care of yourself and see you soon.